Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this Forecourt film for this absolutely stunning 2019 Bentley Bentayga. This is the 4-litre V8 petrol engine. Absolutely beautiful, silky smooth, 540 horsepower V8 petrol. Absolutely stunning to drive with adaptive air suspension and dampers. And obviously, again, that silky smooth petrol engine as well. The colour is extreme silver. It's absolutely lovely colour, actually. It's quite difficult to come across in photographs. Can look a little bit goldy, but actually in person, it's a very, very elegant colour. We've also got the chrome finished 22-inch alloy wheels, all in absolutely perfect condition. And you see the lovely Bentley brake calipers just sitting behind there as well. The car has done just over 10,000 miles, so it's in extremely good condition all the way around, as you would expect. And it's also known as the Centenary model. So this was done as a sort of celebration model and has a couple of unique badges and touches to it, with the denoting badges on the back here and also some on the inside as well. But absolutely beautiful car, really nice use of chrome with the roof rails and the window surrounds. And then the lower chrome down here as well, and of course the extremely imposing chrome grille at the front with chrome badging as well. Absolutely beautiful. It's a really lovely specification, this. And we also have the beautiful Centenary plaque here for the front occupants as well. So starting at the back, we obviously have a powered tailgate, which can be operated from the key, or from the button inside, or from the button on the back. Huge amounts of load space, as you would expect. Absolutely lovely condition in here. And then we've also got controls here for the air suspension as well, so you're actually able to raise and lower the car. So if you've got heavy items that you need to put in there, you can take it out of access mode. The car is currently in its access mode, so it's in its lowest setting. And you've got a number of settings that you can raise and lower the suspension as well. To close the boot, you've got two different options here. One is just the power button for the boot, and then also one for the keyless entry, so you can just press this to lock the car at the same time as closing the boot. We'll just close that one there for now. Through to the back, and you're greeted with this absolutely stunning finish in here, and this wonderful walnut inlays, and also the Bentley logos projected onto the floor for the front and rear doors, all completely unmarked and in beautiful condition all the way throughout. You've got rear climate control here for the rear passengers, and then also this wonderful full-length panoramic sunroof. But you start to see the quality of all the fit and finish, stitching and everything throughout. You've got these wonderful Bentley embroidered logos there in the headrests, and the car just smells like brand new. It's absolutely beautiful. Very, very nice indeed. Soft closed doors, so we just close the doors slightly and they'll pull in close there. This is the keyless entry point, so to lock the car you can just simply press your thumb on the door handle and that will close there and fold the mirrors in, and then to open the car simply put your hand onto the door handle. Another Bentley logo projection, and then additional controls here, again all finished in this lovely chrome. We've got the memory here for the seats. The seats themselves fully electric, of course, and then they also have various massage functions and things like that as well. Part of the Centenary package as well is this sort of Mulliner style pedals and footrest. And then you can just see how lovely the fit and finish is all the way throughout. We've even got full leather headlining all the way through. Frameless rear view mirror. And again, more of the beautiful walnut. This car's also been upgraded with both the City Pack and the Touring specification as well. Highlight options from those would be things like the head-up display, also adaptive cruise control, lane assist, side assist to warn you of any cars that are coming through your blind spot, and then also collision avoidance systems and things like that as well. So it'll put the brakes on if it thinks you're getting a little bit too close, and also passenger protection. Through to the centre section here, and you've got the controls for your automatic gearbox, different driving modes here for sport, comfort and custom, and then all of your climate settings and everything like that. Your heated seats, 4-zone climate control, and then your infotainment system as well. We'll just start the car up. So as I mentioned, it's a 4-litre V8. Sounds absolutely beautiful. See the mileage today at 10,907. Then across here to the infotainment screen, where you've got access for all of your ride height and everything like that as well. So you can change that. Full European satellite navigation, Bluetooth media streaming, DAB digital radio, as well as FM and AM stations. And then just looking through here, really is absolutely lovely, absolutely everywhere you look. Really nice use of materials. This will change the ride height here. So we'll get out in a second and just see once that's raised, you can feel the car raising itself up. And then you've got the different driving modes and everything like that through here as well. Controls for your adaptive cruise control are just down here, so you can set the distance that you follow the car in front, and then all of your media controls and everything like that all the way through. So hopefully that's given you a good idea of the sort of fit and finish of the inside, and also quite nice to be able to see the actual colourways through a video. Again, sometimes it's quite difficult to for it to come across in photographs, and you'll see that now the suspension is coming up to its normal ride height as well. So the access thing makes quite a big difference actually. And there it is raising up to its off-road height. I hope you found this short video useful. If we can help with any further information, if you require any finance figures or you have a part exchange that you would like us to value, then please don't hesitate to contact us through our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. We'd be more than happy to help, and we'd obviously love to be able to show you the car in person. Thanks very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.